Hello everyone. Let's solve this problem very quickly. We have square root of 27 minus square root of 147, okay, plus p root 3 to be equal to 0, right? Now this is what we are going to do. Let's simplify all of these terms, right? Square root of 27 there is the same thing as 9 times 3 in the square root sign. What I'm doing is to pick out the highest factor of all of these, that is a perfect square. Then minus, here I have 147, and that will be 49 times 3. Okay, and then I have plus p root 3. Now we can break root 3 into any smaller factor, right? So that's the bit 3 in there, and this is equal to 0. Now let's take a step further. Now remember that we can find the square root of 9 here, which will give us 3 directly. Then we have root 3 minus here square root of 49 will give us 7, and then we have root 3 attached plus p root 3, which should be equal to 0. The next point is to evaluate what we are having here. 3 root 3 minus 7 root 3 will give us minus 4 root 3, then plus p root 3 to be equal to 0, right? Okay, so if that is the case, then I want to take okay, how do we deal with this? Remember, we can add minus 4 and p because they are not the same thing. But then I can change, we can make p plus p root 3 the subject. So that means I have p root 3 to be equal to 4 root 3. And what does this mean? This now means that this can cancel this, because we can divide both sides by root 3. So the root 3 will cancel each other, meaning that our p is equal to 4. As simple as that. But then we might want to check to know if we are right or wrong. The original equation is root 27 minus root 147 plus p root 3. Now if we put in the value of p, will this give us 0? That's what we want to look at now. This is 9 times 3, like I did before. Then we have 49 times 3, and then plus p root 3. Now let's go through this to make sure it gives us 0. This is 9 root 3 minus 7. Okay, this is 3 root 3 because square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 49 is 7 root 3. Then plus 4 root 3. And we said 3 root 3 minus 7 root 3 will give us minus 4 root 3. Then we have plus 4 root 3. Right? Now we are having the same thing but different sign. This is the same thing as 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3. And this will end up giving us 0. So this means that our p to be equal to 4 is very correct. Thank you for watching.